side done. Just gotta cut off the bottom, trim it. Windows in. Caulk wrapped, insulated. Can't see shit. Sides in. Wrapped. Trimmed. Back. Gotta put a back door. Nice big wooden door right there.